Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2022 Ford Ranger STORMTRAK edition. This does come to you in a very eye-catching blue. You will stand out on the road with this one. This does come with 27,000 miles, 5 leather seats with that stitching to match the exterior of the vehicle. This does come with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and also low range, along with an automatic transmission, heated seats at the front, audio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, a reversing camera, cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist as well. Now just to show you into the back 3 seats, they are of course once again leather lined. Pop down the middle just here, we do have 2 cup holders, and if that wasn't all, we do have a 12-volt socket just down here for rear passengers, as well as an 150 watt mains charger. We do also have 2 further 12 volts at the front. Now just to show you the load area in the back, now this is rather fancy for a pickup truck. I will just pop this down just so we can show you a bit more. So first of all, you may notice we do have a divider. This does move back and forth along the bed. Be loose and tightened as well, just to make things easier. And we do of course have an electronic motorized cover on here as well, which can be obviously controlled with that. Move forward and backwards to go along the whole thing, as well as further outlets here, as well as cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry as well in the back. Now we'll just shut this one up fully, and you can find out more about this Ford Ranger STORMTRAK on our website anchorvans.co.uk, anchorcars.co.uk as well. It will be in the description of this video. You can also come to our site in Papworth if you don't live too far out of Reading or Newbury, and you may be able to see this vehicle in person. You never know, you might fall in love with it, might fall in love with our different pickup trucks, speak to one of our specialists in person, and you never know, one day this may be sitting in your driveway doing your work for you.